The Tribit Quiet Plus 78. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Quiet Plus 78 by Tribit. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user guide, micro USB cable, and a 3.5mm audio cable. And it also comes with a storage case. The headphone features 40 hours of playtime and it takes 3 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, AAC SBC codec, 40mm drivers, button controls, micro USB for charging, and it has active noise cancellation and a transparency feature. The headphones feel solid and are pretty light. It folds in for easier storage, but the ear cups don't rotate out. You can see the ear markings on the inside of each ear cup. The padding is semi-soft and there's an adequate amount. You can see the padding on the band as well. Taking a look at the band, it has a matte finish. Each of the adjustment levels clicks into place and there's a good amount of travel on each side. It has a good amount of flex, as you can see here. Looking at the outer face, it has a matte finish with the branding. The left side has no controls, and you'll find all the controls on the right side. On the right side, you have the volume controls and the track control buttons, a multi-function button, LED, and the ANC and ambient button. Towards the bottom, you'll find the microphone, micro USB charge port, and auxiliary port. The headphones weigh in at 280 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to I'm the one I'm a 1-to-1, I can never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a 1-to-1, I can never be you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single like oh he.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tribit Quiet Plus 78 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in a bit low for my liking. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Quiet Plus 78. The headphones were comfortable and there's a good amount of clamping force, so it does feel tight and secure. Padding on the ear cups are adequate and are soft, along with the headband. Build-in quality is solid, simple design all around, and it feels durable, not loose at all. Button controls are responsive and easy to navigate once you know the placement. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 30 hours. I would have liked to seen USB-C instead of micro for charging. I found the active noise cancellation to cancel out the surrounding noises very well. It is one of the better ones I've tested in the sub 100 range. There are two levels, a low and a high, and you will hear a voice prompt to indicate what it's on. The transparency feature also did a good job in picking up the surrounding noises when activated. Now when it comes to sound, these are definitely not lacking in the bass. It comes in punchy and deep with an energetic feel to it. Mids and highs come in clear, but would have liked it to be just turned up a notch. These lean more towards a warm sound signature. Overall, I feel that the sounds are decent. The ANC feature performed very well, one of the better ones that I have tested. So that is my review of the Tribit Quiet Plus 78 headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.